slow light. Next thing I knew, they ripped me from my bed, and then they took my blood type. You left a strange impression in my head. You know that I was hoping that I could leave this star-crossed world behind. But when they cut me open, I guess I changed my mind. And you know I'm on at this moment to move on from the storm. This time, 'cause they're calling me by my name, and there's nothing like things to see on the moons and satellites. That was the turning point. That was the lonely night. The stormmakers has been so bad. The dream makers gonna make you mad. The space now says everybody look down. It's all in your mind. But now I'm back at home, man.